Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and OS because menus differ across FunTouch or Origin OS. This avoids hunting later. Once ready, charge above 20% and close background apps so changes apply cleanly. Now open Settings and use the search bar for Game or Game Space. This immediately takes you to the feature without navigating deep menus. If you don't find it, check the Security or Tools folders. Sometimes manufacturers relocate Game Space there. You tap Game Space, then add the games you want. This registers them for special handling. Once a game is listed, toggle game mode on and enable block notifications so alerts won't interrupt play. For performance, switch on CPU boost or high performance mode. That raises frame stability at the cost of battery. Make sure to adjust network priority and touch sensitivity inside the game settings to reduce lag. These settings balance smooth gameplay versus battery or heat, choose based on your session length. You should now launch a game to test frame rate, touch response, and whether notifications are blocked. This verifies settings immediately. If you see overheating or rapid battery drain, make sure to revert CPU boost or lower display performance. This sacrifices some frames but prevents throttling. Once done, clear Game Space cache or restart the phone if features don't apply. If the Game Space app misbehaves, reinstall or update it. That resolves most configuration bugs and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.